that. We wanna lie like that.
Hey beauty babes, what is up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I did this really beautiful orange eye look for Halloween, and I actually did some really cool stuff on my lower part of my face. I did like a skeleton-y type of like bloody kind of look. I don't know, it looks really cool though. Obviously you saw it in the thumbnail, that's why you clicked on it. If you guys would like to achieve that super cool, super scary look, then just keep on watching. I already did like all of my face stuff, like I did highlighter, concealer, contour, like all of that, and we're just moving on to our eyes. I am taking out my Unleash Your Inner Artist Morphe James Charles palette, and I'm going into the color 518 and just putting it on my crease. Next, I'm going into the color Rusted and just putting that also on my crease, but really defining. Next, I'm going into the color Ring Light and just putting that on my brow bone. Now I'm going back into the color Rusted and just putting it on the outer corner of my eyelid. Now I'm pulling out my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm just putting this on my eye, doing a half cut crease. That's so good. Ooh, she cut good. Okay, and now I'm going back into the color 518 and just putting that on my eyelid in the inner corner. And finally, since we have a little bit of room right here, I'm going to be taking the color Halloween and just putting that right in between the 518 and Rusted color. My Too Faced Tutti Frutti Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow in the color Guava Glitz, and I'm just going to be putting this on top of the color Halloween. A little sparkle. I sound like a 5-year-old, or a unicorn, whichever one is fine. So now we're moving on to our under eyes. I'm just going to be taking out my black Waterline Eyeliner and just putting this on my waterline. And now I'm just going to be going back into the color Halloween and just putting that all the way underneath my eye. Okay guys, now we're moving on to eyeliner, and I'm just taking out my NYX Professionals That Is The Point eyeliner in the color Hella Fine, and I'm just going to be doing a wing, but okay, this is where it's going to get a little bit like confusing. So if you guys do not know, Shay Mitchell, obviously she was on Pretty Little Liars, I love her. She posted this picture a long time ago of this like eye look that she had done. It's me right here, and I've been waiting to use that liner in a look, so this is when we're doing it. We aren't going to do the cat eye, we're just going to do the out look, but yeah, it's going to be fun. Okay guys, so I'm going to be right back. I'm just going to do the other eye off camera, and then we'll move on with these special effects. So because of the fact that we are doing special effects, we're going to be doing them near my mouth, I'm just going to clip my hair back. Now I'm taking out some Elmer's glue. Obviously it's non-toxic, so the thing with Elmer's glue is if you have really bad acne, then I suggest finding something different for your skin. Obviously it is okay to put on your face, like it's not the best thing to do because it does clog up pores, but I would just, if you do have struggle with acne issues, I would try to find something different. Obviously after I'm doing this, I'm going to do a really intensive skincare routine just to make sure that it doesn't like, you know, do anything and make me have like a million, doesn't make me like break out or anything like that. But yeah, this is all I have, so we're using it. I'm just going to take some cotton swabs and kind of just like place the glue where I want it to be. So obviously I want it to be like around my mouth, and then I'm gonna like cut a hole out of it and like roll it up and stuff. And I have a blow dryer that I'm gonna use to like dry it faster because I'm not waiting for it to dry. Okay guys, and now I'm kind of just pushing the glue upwards to kind of to make it look like flaky skin almost, obviously, because that's kind of the goal of this. And I'm just like cutting little pieces and stuff and using tweezers. Now I'm taking out my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and just putting it all inside the mouth area and on top of the skin and blending it out. And I'm just taking out my Too Faced Melted Latex Liquefied Lipstick in the color Bite Me, and I'm just putting that around the glue, kind of to make it almost look like blood. And I'm just going back into my James Charles palette and using the color Spooky, and I'm just going to be drawing out the mouth and outlining the teeth and stuff. I'm just taking out my NYX Eyeshadow Base in the color White Blank, and I'm just going to be putting that on the teeth area. And then after that is all applied and all the areas where I want the teeth to be, I'm just going to be going back into my James Charles palette, and I'm just going to be putting the color Flashback on the White Lace eyeshadow that we just applied. Next, I'm taking out my NYX Professionals That Is the Point eyeliner, and I'm just going to be outlining the teeth one more time just because we already applied the eyeshadow and stuff, so just to give it a little bit more of depth to it. Okay, and now I'm just taking out my Too Faced Melted Metallic Liquefied Lipstick in the color I'm Too Faced, and I'm just going to be putting that on top of the Bite Me lipstick that we applied, look like there's blood there. Okay, beauty babes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any video requests or review requests or singing requests or anything like that, and I'll try my hardest to do them. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, it'll be located all right over here. And also, if you guys like do this look or do like a look like it or anything like that for Halloween, please DM me and send it to me because I love seeing when you guys like do that kind of stuff. I think it's so cool. So yeah, just DM me, Snapchat me, whatever. I don't care. But I really would like to see all that kind of stuff. So yeah, if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, it is obviously the subscribe button down below. And make sure you hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload any new videos, which is actually on Fridays. Anyways, I think that's all I can have to say. Bye bye, beauty babes. Boo!